So now, guys, they will kick off with Spring. Some important concept of Spring like inversion of control or injection. That is very important. Uh, we'll start with the basics and then move on to these concepts. I'll say, guys, it's a bit wide. It's a bit wide thing. This covers a major. The Spring covers a major portion in advanced Java. So we'll have to really pay attention and really study by ourselves also if you want to understand what Spring is. Uh, Once you are into a habit, once then it will be a cake for walk for you. Uh, concerned and concerning to the interviews, there are fixed 20 to 25 questions that will be asked. That's it. So I don't think that will be a problem. Take looking at that perspective, but you have to pay attention for some days. You have to be calm. It will take time for you to understand, but once you understand it, it will be cakewalk. Let's kick off. So Spring is one of the most application is one of the most famous or we can say popular or mostly used application development framework for Java applications. And the good part is and like Hibernate and Java, this is also open source. By open source, we mean you don't need to pay anything if you want to use Spring jars. It is available for free. Spring, this Spring supports all major application servers application server. We mean servers like Tomcat or maybe JBoss or WebSphere. These all are application servers. Why? Why Spring? Why Spring, guys? Because it lets you focus on your application. It kind of manages the infrastructure. A very simple example is um, if if you want an office, if you want an office for yourself. For example, one of you started a startup and you want an office for your team. What you will do is you will contact one person. For example, I am running a business wherein I am supporting startup with the infrastructure. So you will contact me and I'll manage everything, the water, the electricity, or the desks or the laptops for your teams. I will arrange everything for you. So I will be the Spring in that case, and you guys will be the Java application. So the infrastructure is all managed by Spring framework. Okay, how it is managed, what are the different features, we'll discuss in next slides. Guys, these all features are provided by Spring framework. It won't be possible for us to cover all, but we'll cover the major and the mostly used ones. Just go through the slide for 2-3 minutes. We'll